Hey guys, I love the Young Living sunscreen, but I find it really thick and it's hard to get on my kids and myself quickly when we want to get out to the pool or whatever. So I got a recipe from a cross-line friend and I'm gonna try it out. So it requires 1 cup of the fractionated coconut oil. So rather than pump it, I'm just going to pour it into 1 cup. Close enough. And then I'm gonna add 20 drops of the lavender. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good enough. That may have been 21. Who cares? Instead of lavender, you could also do carrot seed, because carrot seed has sun protection properties in it. And that's just, I gotta remove the inner seal. That wasn't too hard. So we're just gonna add all of this in there. Now, Young Living does like to send things concentrated so that they're not wasting your money and making you buy water. So most of their stuff can be diluted as it is already. So, and we're using fractionated coconut oil because coconut oil has sun protecting properties in it as well. So I'm gonna call it there. We're just gonna take a whisk and we're gonna mix this up. And try not to make a mess out of it. This probably would have worked better had I warmed up the sunscreen first. A little bit better. Because while it's mixing, it still seems a little chunky. So there's a tip for you. Warm up your sunscreen. Leave it sitting in the sun or in your pocket for, I don't know, I guess about 10 minutes, depending on temperature. I really want to get this incorporated as best I can because it's supposed to be a spray, so we don't want it getting all chunked up and blocking the sprayer. Okay, so I went ahead and put this on a gentle double boiler because I do not have an immersion blender. Either method would work for getting this to fully incorporate into each other. So now I'm gonna pour it into this spray bottle that I found on Amazon. It's just one of those, I think it's a continuous sprayer. So I went ahead and got a large size so that I knew I would have enough space for everything. And I don't mind there being so much extra space above it. So that is it. I will be switching the label over from the sunscreen as long as it plays nice. And then we have our own DIY spray sunscreen.